Where'd you actually get that from? Because I'm about to flip the fuck out real quick. What? You better tell me it was Steven, because I know damn well it was Steven. Steven come up in my fucking house and he stole that goddamn voice recorder.
The what?
Steven come up in my fucking house and stole that voice recorder. I got the fucking receipt sitting in there. Got the goddamn box and all. Got that PIN number, show up and everything. I got that motherfucker from the school down there.
Oh, I know Steven.
You found it in the yard? You didn't find it in the yard. You fucking ass got it from methamphetamines. I'm not fucking stupid.
Oh, I got that from, are you talking about that tape recorder?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that from James.
You got it from James?
Yeah.
How did James get it? He had
I don't know.
Steven.
I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
know.
He
went and got me some stuff yesterday.
Yeah, you and your fucking mess heads. You better stay the fuck away from me.
But anyway,
every goddamn one of you motherfuckers.
He said, I got this, and he said, I take $10 for it.
And you sold it to my little
And
brother.
I thought it was his. You know, I didn't know. He said his baby's mama got it. You know, I didn't
Baby
know.
mama got it my ass.
I mean, you know, I didn't know.
Oh, me and James are gonna fucking fight.
But
you're gonna find out real quick
Little
who's gonna fuck James up. You're gonna find out real quick, who the fuck the baddest motherfucker here. Because I'm tired of this shit.
So I thought,
Get me on some message,
I didn't know. I didn't know nothing about it. I thought it was James, you know, because he told me it was his, you know. So I give him $10. Well, I started not to buy because I didn't have the money.
I can't say it's your fault.
I didn't have the money. I didn't want to buy it because I didn't have the money, really, you know, spared money.
I know it's not on you, Harlem.
And, man, I'm sorry, brother.
I know it's not on you.
But
it's not on you.
I didn't know it. I didn't know it. I swear to God, Will,
I let that little bastard come in my fucking house. Steven's punk ass went in my back bedroom, and he was twiddling through stuff. I thought it was really fucking odd. He was tweaking off his fucking ass. He was going back here so he can hide and steal shit. We left his ass in my fucking house.